welcome again. Today we're here to show you the easiest way to quickly mute the sound on your Android radio. So there are two ways, but I'll show you the complicated one and then the easy one. So we're gonna go ahead now. So say for instance you're playing some audio.
Okay.
There's a way how you can do it where you will turn down the volume and then you will click the music sign to the side. So you turn it down and then you click it. So there's another way how you can do it, which is far much easier. So we're gonna play by the audio. So what you do, you just press the power button once and it just mute just right there. So press the power button, on, off, on, off, on, off. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and enjoy our videos.